was watching the news, and they were saying tornadoes. And I just couldn't believe that it was here. We just got to the basement, really, when it hit the house.
And the sound of it was unreal.
I mean, it's like bombs was dropping. So it lasted about
Seemed like a minute.
30 seconds. You know, then it was just so quiet, darkest I ever seen in my life. It was just so dark. Company there, their sign was in our yard, the church sign was in our yard, Hair Arena was in our yard.
When daylight came, he had a little saw, and he was out there trying to saw some of those trees because we couldn't even get out of the driveway. I kept telling him, you cannot do this all by yourself. It's just too much.
As we got closer and we came off of the exit, and I started to see the devastation for miles and miles. I mean, it was overwhelming. And I brought two daughters, a 13-year-old and a 16-year-old. And for them to see that kind of devastation, it was the first time to really understand what Mother Nature did here. Windows out, I saw roofs off, I saw wood everywhere. You can see trees down. The least we can do is to be here and help.
Rebuilding Together Dayton is an organization that works to keep senior low-income homeowners in their homes in a safe and healthy environment. A lot of the area that was hit was disproportionately low income. We are going to need a lot of rebuilding in our community, and we are willing to work very closely with all the organizations that are a part of this effort. The team that's working today with Honda is amazing. They've brought all this great equipment to get these huge limbs and trees cleaned up and brought to the curb. They're doing things that the elderly homeowners that we're assisting today would have no way to take care of on their own.
Came with my son, Jesse, for him to learn about giving back.
We're just here to be able to support in any way that we can and help them. Anyone who needs help around here, I'm just really grateful that we can be able to do that and have that opportunity to give.
There were a plethora of people, and we had all ages, all years of experience, children through adults, and it just shows the kind of company that we work for and the kind of people that really want to make a difference in their community.
This has been a beautiful day. You just think all this stuff is on you. Is it ever going to go away? And you have people like you guys from Honda that come through here and clean up. I can't even imagine. And it's a blessing, I tell you. I really appreciate it.